स्पेशल प्राइजेस ही आज दिए जा रहे हैं। सो टू बिगिन विद NCC Best NCC Cadet for session 2024-25. With immense pride and honor, I call upon stage Ms. Arzu Negi of class 9, who has successfully reached the prestigious level of pre-RDC 1 in the National Cadet Corps. This achievement reflects their dedication, discipline and hard work. Let us welcome her with a huge round of applause. Here she comes to receive her appreciation, Arzu Negi. Congratulations, Arzu. State and national level. As the principal addressed in her annual report that the children brought laurels at various levels. So this time we have two best students and two best players who achieved gold medals and silver medals. So the best sports person from senior section for the session 2000. Please come on stage. He participated in roller hockey state level tournament held at Sandur and won 2 gold medals. Please give him a big round of applause. Congratulations, Natik. Miss Angel of class 3. Miss Angel of class 3 participated in roller hockey national level 62 competition and won gold medal held at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu in December 2024. Please give her a huge round of applause. So congratulations to both. They are brother and sisters. So congratulations to parents also. Now moving further, best speaker in debate competition at 2-4 level 2024 and 25. Dear guests, in CCA activities, we being a small school don't have much choice while competing with other schools, but still our children, under the able guidance of our teachers, try their level best and put aside bigger children and make space for themselves. This year, students of our school bagged first position in Inter-Army English debate competition held at APS Ambala at 4 level. Very proudly, I invite on stage Prakriti Khanna and Sahil Preet Singh of class 10 for getting first position as best speaker against the motion and best interjector respectively. Here comes Prakriti Khanna, best speaker. मुझे बताते हुए बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है कि APS में सबसे छोटे बच्चे हमारे होते हैं। जब भी हमें कंपटीशन करना पड़ता है तो इस साल हमें बेहद खुशी हुई जब हमारे बच्चे उन +2 लेवल के बच्चों को compete करके स्कूल के लिए प्राइज लेके आए। So clap for them please. Now, teachers are the architects of the future, shaping minds and hearts with the power of knowledge and inspiration. Dear audience, we all work very hard and wish to rise and shine. When it comes to the academics, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce someone whose dedication and innovation methods have consistently inspired students to excel. This year, in class 10 board, our API was less than expected, but still, the students had managed to secure an outstanding position in her subject, competing with 32 Army public schools of the Western Command. Her dedication and efforts are truly commendable. Today we are here to honor their effort and celebrate their achievements. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Rajni Singla, TGT Mathematics, on stage to receive this well-deserved recognition. Let's give her a big round of applause. Heartiest congratulations, Rajni ma'am. Mrs. Rajni, TGT Mathematics. 32 आर्मी स्कूल्स में से 6 नंबर पे मैथ्स का API आया है, इसलिए मैम को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी will be eagerly waiting for the announcement for the best house trophy for the session 2024. The trophy is a symbol of excellence, teamwork, and relentless effort displayed by the students throughout the year in co-curricular activities and sports. Dear audience, our school is divided into 4 houses and many inter-houses competitions were organized this year. All the winners struggled very hard to reach at the top position. There was neck-to-neck competition. Finally, one house managed to get the top position. Please give them a very big hand as I am going to announce the winning house. That is Blue Sarojini House. I request the in charge of Sarojini House, Mrs. Tarinder Bala ma'am, to come on the stage with their team members. The members are Mrs. Amandeep Kaur, TGT SST, Mrs. Rupa, Mrs. Pinky PRT. Please give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations to Sarojinians. कहाँ है हमारे सरोजनी हाउस के बच्चे? मुझे शोर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अभी. ये सरोजनी, cheer for your house. Once again, congratulations to all the Sarojini House teachers, members, and parents also who put their best efforts. Well done and keep your job up. And maintain silence.
Respected principal, Mrs. Amarjeet Kaur, respected teachers, esteemed guests, esteemed parents, and all children of APS Sangrur, Jai Hind. First of all, it is with gratitude that I thank the principal for inviting me as the chief guest of this function of APS Sangrur. It is a proud moment for the entire school because an annual day is a reflection of your achievements in the year gone by. How we can improve as a school, individually as students, children, and contribute better as parents of children studying in this school. Provides this opportunity to all of us to look inside us and come up with some plans for the future, maybe in the immediate term and in the future. And Association of Punjab for being the principal of more than 15 years in this school. It is an apt recognition for whatever she stands for and for whatever she has contributed for the advancement of this school, APS Sangrur. She is the most committed principal I have seen ever. 18 years plus as a principal is something which I have never heard of. Well, congratulations. Please come forward and receive this prize.
Welcome you all once again to entertain you all for the remaining part of the program. First of all, we would like to congratulate all the prize winners and their parents. Keep it up, friends. Always do the hard work and leave no stone unturned.
Hello.
Please everyone, prize distribution, students, please. Prize winners, please report to the Rishma ma'am near the stage, please.
मिसेस सरोज दीवान आंटी जो है वो हॉकी विमेन
जाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। और बच्चे प्राइजेस के लिए आसपास में हैं। थैंक यू।
मेरा सारा सामान मैं स्कूटी में रखी थी और एक जैकेट हाँ ठीक है।
So students, be alert and listen. She is here from USA with us. We are really thankful, ma'am. And she is an educationist.